back to the channel. It's your boy Dean. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate. Think y'all will ride out with me for a little bit. So it's the beginning of May. We heading into the summer. Around this time of the year, a lot of people tend to ask me like, or say, you know, Dean, I'm ready to buy a house. Which in the past, you know, waiting until the summer has been a viable option. Typically because people like to move in the summer, especially people with kids, you know. Kids go to school all year. In the summer, they got a little bit of downtime, or they feel as though they have a little bit of downtime, so they choose to move during that time. People have asked me recently, Dean, do you foresee the market getting better in the summer? And I take pride in keeping it 100 with people. To be honest with you, I don't, man. I think the market's gonna be the same way it is right now. I think the truth is, a lot of people got kind of spoiled and got used to lower price houses and low interest rates. And I think those days honestly are gone, man. Like, I think it's gonna get much worse before it gets better. Now, with that being said, if you still want to purchase a house, I mean, at the end of the day, the real question is, do you really want to buy a house? Now, if you really want to buy a house, it's never a bad time to buy a house, because there's only three things that can happen. I mean, interest rates can stay the same, they can get worse, or they can get better. And if you have the house that you actually like, then none of those three situations are worse for you. So my recommendation is, you know, find out who's knowledgeable of your real estate market. You know, find you a realtor who has your best interest forward, and make sure they take care of you. If you're in a 757 and you're interested in purchasing a home, I mean, I'd gladly take care of you. I'm not the only realtor out here, man. There's a lot of great realtors out here who could take care of you. I'm sure of that. But just make sure you got somebody that got your best interest at hand. I'm on the way to some meetings, man. I'm out of here. I'm gonna get it with y'all.